It is 9:14 in the morning. I stayed up until 2:30 watching stand-up comedy, but we're gonna get at it today. I don't know if you can see back there, but we have the boat hooked up. But we're not going striper fishing. We're going to meet with Birddogg, and we're gonna try to find some Civil War stuff. I just wanted to show you guys this. We just went into Academy, which is right there, and just check these sexy swim baits out. I mean, just tell me if those are not the sexiest swim baits you've ever seen. Golly, that's a good looking bait. Me and Brandon know absolutely nothing about this river, this creek. Anyways, we don't know anything about this body of water, but we're gonna try to catch some fish while we're kind of drifting along there, you know? So, but yeah, we're gonna meet up with Birddogg. You guys stick around and hopefully we'll find some awesome stuff. Two puppy dogs. We have landed, guys. We're on the river, on a river, and we're going to do some detecting here with Birddogg. You guys know who Birddogg is. We're gonna try to get Brandon on his first water bullet, and I don't know, maybe get lucky and dig some artillery. Who knows? I'm gonna be GoPro for the rest of the day probably. Might get some B-roll in a little bit with this thing. I think he might be going to do some drone shooting in a few.
We can get the satellite to connect.
But anyways, we're burning up. It's hot. It's like 90 something degrees, and really it took us a little while, so we're about to get started. Alrighty, here we go. Let's do it. I don't know how deep it is. I don't know yet. Oh, it's pretty deep. All right, your connection's tight. I got so much going on. All right, I know, guys, I don't have gloves on, huh? All right, I'm not climbing back up in, so I'm gonna see if you guys can hear this. Is that still recording? Yeah. Alright, sweet. Alright, thanks.
Put it in the boat. That's the first bullet of the day for Mr. Zach Byrd. First relic of the day. It's a Confederate infield. Been cut into a fishing sinker. Good work.
I want this cut off.
Get by with a little help from your friends. And the dear Lord.
The light's staying on, but it's cutting off.
It's got Jesus in it.
Sweet.
Now that you've been baptized.
Alright, this kayak's gonna get out of here.
Alright, got a big iron signal. Let's see what it was.
That's what I was picking up a minute ago.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah, God. I don't know what that is either.
I don't know. Let me know if you know. Alright, Brandon's got a bullet signal. He's a pretty buoyant man, so I'm going to hold him under.
I can't find the tempo higher there at all.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working.
Alright, you got it marked with your foot?
Yeah.
This foot?
Yeah.
Where's your foot? Just hold my ankle when you get down. Three, two, one.
10-pointer ain't picking up.
It's a bullet. My daughter used to love some old Britney Spears.
Alright, so we're right here. We're going to drift down. We're just bouncing the magnet off the bottom. And I was doing it a second ago. As you can see, I got an outset here and some piece of metal here. So maybe there'll be a piece of some shell frag or something down here. Yeah, it's deep, man. Alright, Brandon's got a good signal. Is it a sinker? And he said there's a big piece of iron in the ground right here. The heck is that? Big iron bar. Let's set it here for a second. All right, what was it, Brandon? Oh yeah, bunch of those in here. Well, guys, right here by this big piece of bedrock out of the ground, and I just dug a pretty musket ball. First target at this section, so maybe me and Brandon will get on top of something. Well, me and Brandon's right here. Right here, and I just dug this. Kind of looks like it might be a piece of tail, but I'm not sure. I'll have to ask Birddogg. Definitely has that look to it. Alright guys, right here by this rock, just got an infield. That's sweet. It was almost out of the water. I've cut my hands up. I'm gonna be divorced, but pretty sweet. My hands are hurting, but check that infield out, y'all. Check that baby out. I don't want to talk too much because we really need to be going soon, but we got a lot of water to cover. Well guys, we didn't do a whole lot of filming today. This was my first time water hunting in a while, and I was just enjoying it out here. But Birddogg found a whole lot of stuff. He started out on this bank, and me and Brandon were on the bank over here, and this bank right here was the hot bank. So check out what he got.
Well, real quickly, I will go through what we found. We got a real nice cannonball fragment right there. That's going to be from a 12-pound Borman shell. This is a fragment from a Hotchkiss artillery shell, and I can tell because of this little rise right here. You'll find that around the base of Hotchkiss artillery shells. Got about 20 Civil War bullets. A lot of these were infields, which was nice. It was like a nice little infield spill. And got this trigger guard, which is probably my find of the day. You can see right here is where they had the strap that went up, and the strap would hold the rifle on. This is the actual trigger guard itself, and these bent up pieces are the pieces that would have attached the trigger guard to the rifle. So all in all, a really great day.
And that is a Williams cleaner that hit something hard.
Hit something real hard.
Yeah.
So
heck yeah, man.
Good to have it.
Brandon didn't find his first infield, but he did find some bullets. Where they at, Brandon?
First bullets in the water, anyway.
Yeah. Big old round ball and 2-3 ringers. Yep. All right, here we go, guys, and here's what I found. I dug. I actually dug two first. Well, one first, but two of them. A sinker. That's an infield that's been cut into a sinker. You can see the line, and this one here. That's pretty freaking sweet. I've been wanting to dig one of those for a while. So 9 bullets, and I thought this was pretty cool. Anyways, I didn't film a whole lot. We'll try to film more next time. But hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know when this is what this is gonna end up with. I'll probably need to get some more footage before I have enough for another video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it.